Two things I get asked a lot living in Vancouver are, what's it like and how much does it cost? And I'm going to try to answer one of those questions in this video, because we're taking a look at a $2,200 a month apartment in downtown Vancouver. I'll link some other videos of mine below where we take a look at some cheaper places as well. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel where I help the new generation make and save more money and also tour apartments starting now. $2,200 a month for 500 square feet. It's pretty nice. Let me know what you think and let's take a tour. So I figured we start the video off with the tour of the apartment, and then I'll let you guys know more about the amenities, location, and where it actually sits in downtown Vancouver. So this is a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment with all relatively new appliances, as the building was built in early 2017 or late 2016, so everything around the building and the building itself is pretty much perfect condition. The layout of the apartment has the bathroom on the left of the entranceway, and on the right is the kitchen/dining area. And continuing past that is the living room with extra large windows that let in a ton of natural light. Some people say an apartment of this size is too small for them, and don't get me wrong, I like space, but if it were just me, one person, maybe even two, like a significant other, I'd say it's enough room. On the left of the living room, we've got the one and only bedroom. This bedroom is a decent size, but it lacks in closet space. I would not be able to fit all my clothes in here, let alone someone else's as well if I were living with someone. There are also two other small rooms inside the apartment, one of them being the in-suite washer and dryer, which is a must in an apartment building, at least for me. And at this price range, around $2,200, most apartments you rent will have in-suite washer and dryer. The second room is what they call a flex room, and these are pretty common in a lot of one-bedroom apartments and two-bedroom apartments in the city. Most of the time they're used as a small office or as a storage space. So even at $2,200, we're still at around 550 square feet, not that big. And because of that, we do miss out on a little bit of much needed space. For example, the closet space that I mentioned in the bedroom, and on top of that, the entranceway does not have a closet at all. The bathroom's a good size and has a pocket door to make the space feel even bigger and function better than it would otherwise. The apartment makes up for its lower amount of square footage by having 11-foot ceilings, which makes it feel a lot bigger than it is. And also having an open living/dining/kitchen area helps as well. It also has a small deck large enough for a few chairs and a small barbecue. From the apartment's window and deck, there are views of False Creek, the water, as well as BC Place, home to the BC Lions, which lights up different colors at night. I will try to find a video of that, but if I can't, just know that it looks very cool. As well as a view of Mount Baker on clear days. There are ducks in the pool. So unfortunately for the amenities, I was not able to tour either of the pools, the rooftop deck, or the gym because of all the safety precautions going on. So the building we just took a look at also has a sister building, is what they call it, meaning people from both buildings can use the other's amenities. That means 2 gyms, 2 pools, and the pool in the other building is an indoor 20th floor glass bottom pool, and I'll tell you, it's pretty cool. And I do have a photo of the rooftop deck here with me and a friend, and the deck is equipped with several barbecues as well as a kids playground, and of course a handsome gentleman, as you can see. As some of you may know, I live in an area called Kitsilano, which is about 10 minutes away from downtown and where this building is. Needless to say, I know the area pretty well. The location of this building specifically is one of the best areas downtown in my opinion, a block from the water, 10 minutes to Kitsilano, a block from BC Place, 1 block from Rogers Arena, and I would also consider it to be one of the safest areas in downtown. I've lived in Vancouver for several years now, so if any of you guys have questions about rent here or Vancouver as a whole, you can follow me and DM me on Instagram at @agrizz. That being said, if you guys enjoyed the video at all, consider subscribing and leaving a like to help me out. I'll see you next week.